Jason with an inspection minute. Today we are down underneath the house in the crawl space. Lots of stuff to look at down here. What we want to look at is where contractors and plumbers and like to tend to, as you can see here, there's a plumbing drain line. Goes right up inside under the floor in there. But as you can see here, between this plumbing drain line, this is a floor joist. Both sides, it's completely cut out all the way up to the floor. Nothing supporting this floor between that main beam over there and this main one back there behind me. So that whole distance is not being supported right here because somebody decided to cut the beam, the floor joist out. So always a good idea to have your home inspected. Have a good one.